For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The COVID-19 crisis has caused people to cancel or postpone their plans, and weddings are no exception. It is not an easy thing for couples to postpone their big day, but many have faced that pain. Anxiety and fear continues to eclipse our day-to-day life as we continue to spend our time indoors due to the coronavirus lockdown. And needless to say, a lot of people have become quite distrustful and unenthusiastic. Especially those who had their birthdays and those who were going to get married during these past few months. While some weddings were celebrated by following the lockdown guidelines, others have been postponed based on convenience. There's the looming fear that a marriage might get pushed by a few months, but yet some couples are ready to take time out for their big day. The simple idea of a celebratory event getting postponed can be annoying, unnerving, and extremely frustrating that can leave you in tears. Is your wedding getting postponed as well? Wipe those tears and look at the brighter side. It's going to be hard for the first few days, but maybe it's time for you to make the most of this downtime until your wedding date gets finalized. In case if your wedding is cancelled, don't worry. We bring you few things that you can do if your wedding is postponed. First of all, you get more time to plan your most special day. Always look at the bigger picture. You will have time to plan all the little details that you will be fussing over until the very last moment. This way, you get a few extra weeks to shop, buy those extra pairs of shoes, safety pins, and the clutch you've desperately been looking for. It is very important to take care of your skin because the wedding pictures will remain with you forever. Ahead of your wedding, you might have pimples and zits due to the amount of stress you will be going through. Now you can plan well with the extra time you've got. With the extra time at hand, take proper skincare like working on your pigmentation, the under eye circles, and do everything you can to get that flawless sheen. Say yes to hair care too. Make the herbal hair oil using the ingredients to strengthen your roots and clean your scalp. You would obviously want shiny hair and make the most of the lockdown by treating those dry ends and itchy scalp right. You're finally marrying the love of your life and you'd want your vows to reflect and explain what your partner means to you. And since you have a few more weeks, take some time out and pen down the most beautiful words that come to your mind. We are sure that those reworked vows will move your partner to tears. Not every bride or groom hands out wedding favors or a little thank you gift to her close people. But you can probably make a little gift, favor, or a bridesmaid kit for your girls and boys who have been going out of their way to cheer you up during these testing times. A little thank you gift always goes a long way and will always be remembered.